Today, YouTubers. John here with another Cutting with Kearnz video. Today we are going to be going with SMG Soap's Undertaker. This is another one of John Romanoff's creations. Good stuff. And we're going to pair it with the matching splash. And we are going to be shaving today with the vintage Joseph Allen & Sons circa 1860s straight razor, and also the 26mm Sir Hair, which I've already got preloaded to save you guys to save you guys from waiting on me to get everything lathered up and loaded. So without further ado, I'm going to wet up the face real quick. I've grown real fond of using this PAA cube. It just, I don't know, it just keeps the face cool throughout the shave, which is always nice. It's also kind of helped out on a few shave soaps that have some sort of pepper scents in them to help keep it down from, you know, heating up the sensitive skin. I mean, I wouldn't say my skin's overly sensitive or anything else, but there are a few soaps that have some pepper scents or pepper notes in them, and it's actually like really warmed up the face to where I rushed through the end of the shave. Not that it ended up leaving my face warm the rest of the day, but during the shave it was just slightly uncomfortably warm, and that cube has kind of saved me from trading away or selling away some good soaps. So the Undertaker is another very appropriate soap for today. Ohio, I don't know where you all are from, but here in Ohio we have a high of 73 degrees. You talk about awesome. This fat guy, happy. Couldn't be happier for this kind of weather. So, at any rate, we are going to start getting lathered up. I'll keep you guys on here for a minute or two, and then I'll sign off for just a short minute so that you guys aren't bored watching me lather this stuff up. I loaded this brush for about 30 to 45 seconds. This soap tends to take on a lot of water as you go along, so I mean, it's just kind of the way I end up doing things. Some people can probably lather this up real quick without needing to add any water, so like I said, just kind of bear with me here, and I will throw you guys on hold and I'll bring you back right when I'm ready to start the first pass. Okay guys, and we are back. So we are going to get started on this. I just wanted to go over one quick thing. I didn't mention the notes for this. Notes are black amber, musk, dirt, and calla lily. My guy Shaving with Surge did a video on this a few days ago, and he was kind of struggling for what this scent reminded him of. A funeral home. That's exactly what it smells like. So if you're wondering, and due to the fact that fall is coming very shortly, I thought it was very appropriate to mention that. That's the number one thing I thought of, was a funeral home. So this edge, done up again by John Romanoff, one of the 3 razors that I sent down to him. So I just figured I'm going to use this along with the Undertaker today. So first pass, let's hope everything goes well. And just like his other edge, this one's giving a little more feedback. The other one was a near wedge, so this is a hollow ground, so you're going to hear it doing a little more singing than the George & Sons blade I was using just the other day. And yeah, this thing is very, very smooth. You know what? I'm just going to take off the rest of that up there. That way I can get a firm grip on the cheek. So I hope you guys are all doing well. Hope everybody's staying healthy given all the chaos in the world right now, and I'll kind of leave it at that. So, I mean, I wish I could show you guys to where you could see, but that thing is just tearing through the hair. Well, cutting through it. Don't think this is like ripping. Okay, so hoping like hell that I don't have to go to the DE for rescue this time. I've found that if I just try and be a lot more deliberate with this, that hopefully better things happen. I think, you know, you try and get into a rhythm shaving, and you think that you can do the same thing with this that you can with a DE as far as the speed at which your hands move, and that is definitely not the case. So, looks like this lather dried up a bit just due to the fact that I was being a little bit deliberate getting back here with you guys, and switch hands. So far so good. It's pretty neat seeing Shaving with Surge's video just recently, sporting his new Max Sprecher. That thing is insane. That is something else. Congratulations, my friend. As awesome as that is, I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to afford to get one of those until at least 3 of my 4 kids are out of the house. And not that I make bad money, and not that my children are expensive, but you know, looking at the prices of those things, oh my gosh. Alright, that seems to be it for pass number 1. I'm going to get rinsed off and re-lathered up, and we'll be right back.